If you're checking your bank account 3 days before payday, hoping there's enough for gas and groceries, this is for you. Living paycheck to paycheck isn't a permanent sentence. It's a cycle you can break. In the next 3 minutes, you'll learn exactly how to take control of your finances and start building the breathing room you desperately need. Living paycheck to paycheck is exhausting. You're working hard, but you never get ahead. One unexpected car repair or medical bill can spiral into debt. You can't save. You can't plan. You're stuck. But here's the truth nobody's telling you. Your income isn't the only problem. Most people stay trapped because they're not making strategic decisions about their money and their time. Here's how to take control starting today. First, understand your real numbers. Most people living paycheck to paycheck have no idea where their money actually goes. Spend 30 minutes this week listing every single expense: rent, utilities, groceries, subscriptions, eating out, everything. You'll be shocked at how much leaks out on things you don't even value. That $70 in unused subscriptions, that's your emergency fund starting point. Those $200 per month eating out, that could be your side hustle investment fund. You can't fix what you don't see. Second, create a gap between income and expenses immediately. You have two options: cut expenses or increase income. Ideally, you do both. On the expense side, look for 3 quick wins. Cancel subscriptions you forgot about. Meal prep instead of buying lunch. Switch one expensive habit to a cheaper alternative. These aren't permanent sacrifices. They're temporary moves to create breathing room. On the income side, this is where your side hustle comes in. Even an extra $300 to $500 per month changes everything. Third, start your side hustle this week, not next month. You don't need a perfect plan. You need to start earning extra money now. Pick something you can do immediately. Freelance a skill you already have. Offer a local service. Sell items you don't need. Drive for a rideshare app on weekends. The goal isn't to build a $1 million empire by Friday. The goal is to break the cycle by adding income that isn't tied to your paycheck. Your first extra $200 proves to your brain that change is possible. Fourth, pay yourself first, even if it's tiny. Once you create any gap between income and expenses, immediately move money into savings before you spend it. Start with $20 per paycheck if that's all you can do. The amount doesn't matter as much as the habit. You're rewiring your brain to prioritize future you over current comfort. As your side income grows, this number grows. In 6 months, that 20 becomes 100. In a year, it becomes 300. Fifth, stop buying things to feel better about being broke. This is the hardest truth. When you're stressed about money, it's tempting to buy small treats to cope. Coffee, fast food, impulse purchases. These aren't rewards. They're keeping you trapped. Every dollar you spend emotionally is a dollar that could have bought you freedom. Swap expensive coping mechanisms for free ones. Go for a walk, call a friend, watch free content that motivates you. Save your money for things that actually change your situation. Here's what taking control really means. It means looking at your life honestly. It means making uncomfortable choices for a few months so you can breathe for the rest of your life. It means starting a side hustle even when you're tired. It means saying no to things you want today so you can say yes to the life you want tomorrow. The paycheck to paycheck cycle breaks the moment you decide it's unacceptable and take one concrete action. Not tomorrow. Today. Track your spending today. Research one side hustle today. Cut one expense today. The people who escape this cycle aren't luckier than you. They just started. If you found this helpful, drop a comment below with your biggest takeaway, and check the link in the description for resources that can help you get started faster.